Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, May 12th, and we're going to take a look at SOXL. This is your semiconductor ETF. It's your 3 times ETF. And I want to talk about a trade we took today. It was the best trade we had all day, which was a short in SOXL. We took puts, and you can see here, when I took this last time, I took a screenshot. I'm flat now, completely out of the position now because we hit all our targets, but we were up a little over around 50% when I took a screenshot. And ended up playing out really well. It went a bit further than that. That was when we were about 155, so right around where we are now. But we dropped all the way down to 151 with this setup, and that was where our target was right above 150. But the reason we were looking for this to be short, as you know, SOXL semis have just gone parabolic ever since breaking out back at the beginning of April. And we've seen a crazy, crazy move in this market. We've seen semiconductors just absolutely go through the roof. And we've known that, hey, a parabolic up move is typically followed by a fast down move. And that's what we got here today, was a really fast down move. We dropped all the way from the close yesterday at, 190, all the way down to 150 today. And it's only about 1 o'clock as I'm recording this. So what made us want to take this short, and why do we say, hey, today's the day we're going to go short SOXL as opposed to any of the other days on the way up? Well, the biggest thing is we were looking at unusual options. So if you go to tradescannerpro.com, you can get this scanner. It's one that we've created. And what I was looking at is I saw this wave of call sellers, and I also posted this up on X. So what we had, and you're probably looking at this going, all right, SOXL calls. Why are their calls being traded? Is that bearish? Well, what this was actually call selling. So if you look at the chain bid ask, you can see 99% plus or 100% of it was on the ask side. So people were, on the bid side. So it was sellers. So we were selling, people selling out of these calls, and you can see it was pretty big sizes all from today, May 12th. So you see 839,000 sold, 650,000 sold, 1.2 million in puts being bought, 750,000 sold, 610,000 sold, 586,000 sold, 647,000 sold. So we saw all these call sellers coming in, plus a big $1 million plus put buyer. And then you can see here, I posted it up on X saying, hey, someone's offloading a bunch of SOXL calls, time to short. That was this morning at 10:30, and SOXL just fell through the floor from there. 10:30 this morning, it was at about trading at around $170 a share at the time. So it ended up just dropping through the floor. But this is just one of the ways that we use unusual options to help us with timing, because when you see some unusual stuff that's big like that, where you have millions of dollars worth of calls or puts being bought or sold, that can really help tilt your hand and tell us, hey, now's the time for this to start to move. And ended up playing out really well. But if you want to get these kind of trades with us live, you can. We do them every single day in the trading room. Our goal is at least 1 or 2 good trades a day. We did really well with this. We also had AMD puts that played out really well. But that's it for now. You can join us in the trading room by going to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description below to try it out for an entire 30 days. But that's it for today. Great job to everybody that took the puts or took the short with us. Played out beautifully. But like I said, I'm flat now. That's it for this video. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.